This was a really fun fish to fight. You were fighting the fish, the weather, and the river all at once.
He might wrap you. He might wrap you.